25 days into the coronavirus crisis, and the number of infections continues to surge in Italy, together with that of the deaths linked to the outbreak. More than 20,000 people have been counted as infected in the country, with the death toll on the rise as well. With the country in full lockdown since Tuesday, Italy's Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has praised those people who have continued to work amid the coronavirus emergency.
The efforts of all workers from various sectors take on an immense value in these difficult days. They are showing great responsibility towards the entire national community. We all have the moral and judicial duty to guarantee them conditions of the utmost safety.
Although the Italian government has ramped up its lockdown measures over the past days, factories have been allowed to continue operating also in virus hotspots as long as workers can have a security distance of at least 1 meter from one another. Also, shops providing essential services have been granted permission to remain open. Over 10 million workers whose jobs include high contact with other people have not been able to stay home since the outbreak of the virus began in Italy. Many have threatened to stop working, saying they are afraid of getting infected.
Of course, we're worried to get infected. Look at me. We disinfect the marketplace, even the door handles. People have to eat. We cannot close down.
People are using all precautions. Unfortunately, TVs keep spreading fears. Everybody is scared.
In the past days, the unions representing Italian metal workers had demanded that the country's factories be closed until March 22 because of the outbreak. On Friday night, Prime Minister Conte averted that by reaching a deal with the unions and business representatives to protect workers from the spread of the virus. The Italian media have reported that support measures for workers facing temporary layoffs and for the airline sector will be announced on Sunday. Earlier this week, Rome has hinted that it is ready to earmark as much as 25 billion euros on stimulus measures to shield the country's economy from the coronavirus crisis. Max Civili, Press TV, Rome.